Welcome to Life Beyond Certificate channel. In this video I will be sharing to you 10 recession-proofing business ideas. Before I proceed, I will encourage you to subscribe to this channel, so that you won't miss out of our current and future videos. We all know that the world is evolving, and it is difficult to forecast where businesses will be in the 5 years to come. However, because of persistent inflation and current global events, many small businesses are concerned that a recession may occur soon. But, I will be sharing business ideas you can do during recession. The first business to do as an entrepreneur is online reselling. During a recession, it's customary to resell designer clothing, accessories, and bags online. And it's simple for anyone to sell goods online and deliver them to customers. Because people are buying things every day. The next business is food delivery. Currently, one of the most lucrative industries is food delivery. The reason food delivery is lucrative is that some people might find ordering food through online services more convenient than going out to acquire it themselves, and you may start to make good money in this rising sector. The third one is online tutorial. The e-learning industry is anticipated to expand in few years to come, so if you have a sellable skill, then you can teach anything online and start making cool cash during recession, because people are interested in online classes. The fourth one is event management. An excellent business to launch during a recession is event management. One of the sectors with the quickest rate of growth is the event sector, and this trend doesn't appear to be stopping anytime soon. There will always be a demand for event planners because people want to be entertained and educated. The fifth one is food and beverage business. Due to the fact that everyone still needs food and drink to survive, the food and beverage business is one of the most recession-proof industries. Because it cannot be thrown away in difficult times, businesses in this sector can survive even during a recession. The sixth one is accounting services. Another industry that will continue to be in demand even in recession is accounting services. In fact, because companies employ their services to find ways to reduce expenses, they might even be in higher demand during a global economic downturn. Businesses will still need to pay their bills and keep checks on sales and transactions even during a recession. The seventh one is being a social media consultant. We all know that social media is actively used by many people for their enterprises and jobs. Various people are willing to spend a lot of money and are constantly seeking for ways to expand their recognition and reach through these platforms. So go into this and start earning big. The next one is digital marketing. Online business promotion is done through digital marketing. In addition to helping you save money on conventional advertising techniques like print and radio commercials, it's a terrific way to connect with your target demographic. While traditional marketing strategies may suffer during economic downturns, offering online marketing services may be advantageous as you'll have more flexibility and scalability to adjust to market trends. The next one is healthcare service. We all know that people are in need of this service, because people are going to fail sick, so you can still see new and returning patients despite economic downturns. You can start offering these essential services if you're a nurse. Selling of baby items is the final one. One of the sectors that is immune to recessions is the baby products sector. Many parents are eager to spend money on their child in the form of gifts, and they are unable to avoid buying diapers for their infants. Babies require new clothes frequently as they grow quickly. Moreover, children will always seek out new shoes to go to school. So, consider opening a business that serves children, particularly infants, if you want to build a company that can survive a downturn. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to this channel so that you will be notified when we drop new videos.